Chop a brown onion in half and peel away its skin. Then, roughly slice both halves of the onion and place these in a frying pan. Take a few cloves of fresh garlic, place them on your chopping board and crush them with the side of a blade. Quickly peel away the skin to reveal the bulbs. Chop your garlic finely and then add this to the frying pan along with your onion. Place the frying pan in front of you and get ready to add some spice. First, we need to add 1 heaped teaspoon of cumin powder. Take some chili powder and sprinkle about 1 teaspoon over the ingredients. Next, we need to add a couple of good pinches of ground black pepper and then a single teaspoon of turmeric powder. A few dried bay leaves with their distinctive flavour and fragrance will enhance the taste and aroma of the meat as it cooks. A teaspoon of crushed cinnamon will infuse the meat with a slight sweetness. Liberally sprinkle a generous pinch of salt over all the ingredients and then finally throw about 1 teaspoon of mixed spices into the pan.
As we remember, we added all the spices earlier. Now we're going to add the meat to the ingredients, and we add some lemon juice and water. The reason why I'm putting the water last, just to see my level of meat, how fine it is. And it's good to put some little bit of water just for the start of the cooking.
The cooking process is very easy. Simply place your frying pan over a hot flame and allow the ingredients to cook in the pan as they are. You do not need to stir the ingredients. After a few minutes, turn the heat down low and cover the pan. Leave simmering for an hour at the very least, stirring occasionally. Then, finally, remove the lid and stir in some slivers of fresh red capsicum. The dish is now ready to serve. So there we have it, traditional Sudanese beef that is easy to prepare and flavours that will give you the taste of Africa.